Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.4% during the session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Niger has signed a memorandum of understanding with Chinese state-owned oil giant China National Petroleum Corporation, worth $400 million, linked to the sale of crude oil from its Agadem field. Gold prices rose above $2,400 per ounce to an all-time high to end last week, heading for their fourth week of gains, as growing tensions in the Middle East prompted investors to seek refuge in the safe haven assets. The US dollar rose to its highest price since November to end last week, boosted by safe haven demand amid geopolitical tension in the Middle East, as well as increasing divergence in monetary policy between the Federal Reserve and other major central banks.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US retail sales will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US NAHB Housing Market Index at 14:00 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. Finland's Consumer Price Index at 5:00 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production at 9:00 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.